Welcome, guys. This week we will visit the companies which have posted good results in Q2 of this financial year. So we have identified around 10 to 12 companies which has given some good results, and we'll visit the charts of those companies. So the first company is ME Organics. Now it is renamed as Acutas Chemicals, and as you can see, it has bounced back really well after the results have been declared. And we can see that it's in a strong bull trend. Even RSI is in favor, volumes are good, and looks to be a good stock to be followed. Next is Kryzek. So you can see it was going down in the last almost 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks, and the last week it bounced back with a very good result. If you go to the daily chart, it's already trending in circuits. I hope the circuits will continue. Possibly, if you get a good chance, then only should enter. Otherwise, be careful about it. Next one is Cryogenic. It also came up with a very good result. Recently listed company was going up, hit almost 145, and then came down, and then almost went till 185. It is making a higher high, higher low kind of a stuff. And now good results came. If you can see, it's almost at the all-time high, near to that number actually. The last all-time high was around 184 only. So I think it will cross that. Irida, which has posted good results, but still it is some selling is emerging. But if you can see the volumes and the trend, I think around 145, 149 could be a good point to check whether it is bouncing back or not. And if the volume support, I think this could be a good turnaround from this point. Next one is Manorama Industries. A few weeks back also, a few days back also, I was sharing it, and then good results came now. And company has increased the revenue projection also. So that also should be in your watch list. It is a good support as well. Next is on the real estate. If you see Oberoi Realty, it has almost come down from 2,400 rupees, and it has almost came down to 1,500. And now it is bouncing back with the good results, good volumes. And similar to that is Shobha as well. Shobha is also trending up. So looks like there is a good buying coming in the real estate sector. Even the Shobha's volumes are quite good in terms of bounce. So I also checked the Suntech Reality, that is also showing good results. Apart from that, there is one more company, Pondy Oxides and Chemicals. This is into the recycling industry. And if you can see, it has made a good kind of a cup and handle, breaked out, retested, and recent results have been quite good. Although some selling has emerged in the last some time, but if you see the volumes, pretty good, and it gave a good breakout around 700, 800 rupees also. So from that point, it just keep going up and up. Next one is Quick Heal. You can see a strong downtrend from 800 rupees, almost came to 300 to 80. Now, keeping this possibly as a stop loss at this point, and if we see the volume profile, and if we see RSI, which is bottoming out around this point, so if we just take around 255 to 300 as a zone where it is bouncing back from that point and the trending line point, it has given a good breakout. Some consolidation is happening, but once it's crossed 350, I think it will start going up. On the daily as well, if you see, almost 350 could be a point where it needs to cross consistently. Other two stocks are on the renewables, solar EPCs, Wari Energy and Wari Renewable. And if you can see, Wari Energies listed almost hitting 3694, came down to 2057, and again went to 3800. So it is almost forming a kind of a cup and handle if you see here. And the results have been pretty good. If it does well, I think you have to wait crossing 3700 or buy near 3100 if you want to have some margin of safety. Next is your Worry Renewable. I think I have not captured it. This one is amazing. If you go to the BSA chart, it just went up multi-bagger almost hitting 3000 and then came back to 650 this year. And from that point, it's already doubled. Now, we have to look such kind of stocks with a little bit skepticism, but if you see this purple line, I think it is almost standing at the verge of a breakout now and with a good support at 930 levels. So if somebody can take a risk on this stock, I think, or maybe somewhere around 1100 rupees as a risk item. From that point, shows a good risk reward ratio. Volume profile is also very, very good. RSI is also trending up. So I think we have covered 6, 4, 10, 11 stocks almost we have covered, which have shown really good results. And if I possibly would be interested, I would be interested in Cryogenic, Manorama. Um, yeah, these two would be the ones where I would be focusing on, and I will see how the Warrior Renewable behaves. Yeah, that's all from my side. We'll catch up again soon. Bye. Enjoy your festive season. Happy Diwali.